Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to check a sublist contains any element is empty or not. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the output if there is any empty nested element in this list, nested list or not. The command is py nl nested list empty or not.py, my file name.py, enter. Notice I got the message no empty sublist or nested list because all the list elements, sublist elements contains elements. If I am removing one of the sublist element is empty now. Now when I save this file, now I'll check the output again. See here there is empty nested list or sublist.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python tutorials, and here is added our folder in the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will add one new Python file, create a new Python file, nested list empty or not.py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is check if any nested list or sublist element is empty or not. So first let's declare list 1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There is another square brackets because we are creating the sublist now, and I'm adding my name Charan 32. I'm adding one more sublist A, B. Just for the demo purpose, I have added some nested sublist. Now my aim is I want to check this nested list any element is empty or not. So first I'm declaring one variable. In the square brackets, I am adding any method. Any method is a function, inbuilt function, which is a Boolean type. It returns empty, return false. So, for I am declaring I in list 1 if length of I double equals to 0. 0 is true, 1 is false. So here if x print there is empty sublist, else print no sublist, no element, no empty sublist or nested list. That's it. There is empty nested list or sublist. That's it. Let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check the output if there is any empty nested element in this list, nested list or not. The command is py nl nested list empty or not.py, my file name.py, enter. Notice I got the message no empty sublist or nested list because all the list elements, sublist elements contains elements. If I am removing one of the sublist element is empty now. Now when I save this file, now I'll check the output again. See here there is empty nested list or sublist. It contains one empty list. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to check if any nested list or sublist element is empty or not in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.